Safety is the highest priority when me and my grandmom make our cooking videos together because an accident not only affects an individual but everybody around them too. And trust me, compromising on the price and getting cheaper products may look like a good option but only in the short run. My grandmom's safety is my highest priority, and that's exactly why we got this Panasonic mixer grinder which helps all of us work tension free. Now let's make a delicious recipe using this beauty.